Have you ever thought about the benefits of investing in small animals? Really thought about it? Today, I want to dive into this topic because it's not just about having a cute little pet. It's about the potential for joy, companionship, and even financial returns. Let's unpack this idea together. First off, let's talk about the emotional benefits. Small animals, whether it's a hamster, a guinea pig, or a rabbit, can bring so much joy into our lives. They have these adorable little personalities that can light up even the gloomiest of days. Imagine coming home after a long day at work or school, and there's your furry friend, excited to see you, ready to play, and just be there. It's like having a little cheerleader waiting for you. The simple act of petting a small animal can reduce stress and anxiety. Studies have shown that interacting with pets can lower cortisol levels and increase serotonin, the feel-good hormone. It's like having a little therapy buddy that doesn't judge you or care about your problems. Now, let's get into the practical side of things. Small animals can be relatively low maintenance compared to larger pets. They don't require daily walks or massive amounts of space. If you live in an apartment or a smaller home, a small animal can fit right into your life without needing a whole yard to run around in. This makes them perfect for people who might want the companionship of a pet but can't commit to the needs of a dog or a cat. Plus, they often have lower food costs. A bag of pellets for a guinea pig or some fresh veggies for a rabbit is far less expensive than a month's supply of dog food. And let's not forget about the educational aspect. If you have kids or are thinking about starting a family, investing in small animals can be a fantastic way to teach responsibility. Kids can learn how to care for another living being, understanding the importance of feeding, cleaning, and nurturing. It's a practical lesson in empathy and responsibility that can translate into other areas of their lives. They get to see the direct consequences of their actions, like when they forget to feed their pet and it gets a little grumpy. Those moments can spark important conversations about care and compassion. Now, you might be wondering about the financial side of investing in small animals. While they aren't typically seen as traditional investments, there's a growing market for small animal breeding. If you have the space and the knowledge, breeding small animals can be a lucrative venture. Think about it. People are always looking for pets, and small animals are often a popular choice. Hamsters, guinea pigs, and rabbits can be bred and sold, and if you do it responsibly, it can be a great way to earn some extra income. Just remember, it's essential to prioritize the health and well-being of the animals. Ethical breeding practices are crucial, and you want to ensure that you're contributing positively to the pet community. On a related note, let's talk about the potential for small animals to be part of a small business. If you're crafty, you could create accessories or habitats for small animals. There's a whole industry around pet products, and small animals are no exception. From custom cages to handmade toys, there's a market out there for unique and high-quality products. You could even start a YouTube channel or a blog sharing your experiences with your small animals. People love to watch adorable pets, and if you can combine that with informative content, you might just find a niche that resonates with many. Let's not overlook the community aspect of owning small animals. There are countless online forums, social media groups, and local clubs dedicated to small animal owners. You can connect with like-minded individuals, share tips, and even arrange playdates for your pets. This sense of community can be incredibly enriching. It's a way to meet new friends who share your passion, and it can lead to some really fun experiences. Picture this, a small animal meetup where you can show off your pet and swap stories with other owners. It's like a mini convention for your furry friends. And speaking of community, small animals can also be a great way to get involved in local shelters or rescue organizations. Many shelters have small animals that need homes, and fostering them can be a rewarding experience. You're not just investing in a pet, you're investing in a life. You're giving that animal a second chance and a loving home. Plus, fostering can help you determine if you're ready for the long-term commitment of pet ownership without the immediate pressure of a permanent adoption. Let's talk about the health benefits again, but from a different angle. Small animals can encourage you to be more active. Sure, they don't need walks like a dog, but they do need playtime and interaction. Setting up a play area for your small pet can get you moving, and you might find yourself crawling around on the floor, engaging in some good old-fashioned fun. It's a fantastic way to get a little exercise while bonding with your pet. In conclusion, investing in small animals can bring so much more to your life than you might initially think. From emotional support and educational opportunities to potential financial gains and community involvement, these little creatures can enrich our lives in countless ways. So, if you've been on the fence about getting a small animal, I encourage you to take the leap. You never know what joy and fulfillment it might bring into your life. Whether it's a fluffy bunny, a curious hamster, or a sweet guinea pig, these small animals have the potential to make a big impact. So, why not explore this wonderful world of small animal companionship? You might just find your new best friend waiting for you.